Hi everyone, my name is Marcus and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be comparing this GoPro Enduro battery versus the GoPro standard battery. These are the two batteries that are currently available as of March of 2022 for the GoPro Hero 9 and Hero 10 cameras. I'll be placing the batteries inside of these GoPro Hero 10 cameras and putting them outside in the 2 Fahrenheit weather in Night Lapse Photo Mode to see how long the two cameras last with identical settings in the identical environment and temperature, with the only difference being these two batteries. If you're considering purchasing a new battery for your GoPro Hero 9 or GoPro Hero 10, definitely look for the white battery top and bottom. That is the Enduro battery. If you see blue on the top and the bottom of the battery that you're ordering or purchasing, that is the standard regular battery. The reason you want to purchase the Enduro battery is it gives you a 13% faster charging time according to GoPro. Also, it has better performance and longevity at lower temperatures as well as regular temperatures. Here's some information according to the GoPro website about the GoPro Enduro battery. At a temperature of 14 degrees Fahrenheit at 5.3K 60 frames per second, it will record 56 minutes. At 4K 120, 50 minutes. At 4K 60, 76 minutes. And 1080p 30 at 115 minutes. At a higher temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit, the recording times are 5.3K 60 will be 60 minutes, which they claim is a 28% improvement over the GoPro with a standard battery. 4K 120 is 51 minutes, which is a 40% improvement in recording time over the standard GoPro battery. 4K 60, 71 minutes, or a 13% improvement over the standard GoPro battery. And finally, 1080p 30 at 120 minutes. So it's kind of interesting they don't list the comparison to the standard GoPro battery at the lower temperatures. I'm assuming at the higher temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit at 120 minutes, it's probably the same, so they didn't mention anything about it being an improvement. Alright, with all that being said, today we're actually going to be taking a look at how long the cameras will be recording in Night Lapse Photo Mode. So how many pictures are they going to take, or what is the actual length of recording time at a cold temperature of 2 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and take these cameras outside. So here we have the wonderful Minnesota backyard at 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's my deck and my shed. A little bit of snow covering the lawn. Now for sure I thought these cameras were going to last a little bit longer than what they did, so I put them in night lapse mode figuring the sun was going to set, so I wanted to have an increased exposure range so I could get some photos if it got a little bit darker. This video is a prime example of my love-hate relationship with GoPro cameras. Right now I'm recording on a GoPro Hero 9 that is mounted, I believe, to my chest. And I'm looking for a spot to put the GoPro 10 cameras. So far so good. The GoPro Hero 9 4K video doing a wonderful job. I decided not to mount the cameras up top on top of that hook. I decided to attach them to the top of this fence using this small rig clamp that I purchased from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this video. So the love-hate relationship is, this recording I thought was going to be wonderful. I'd show the settings of the cameras. Everything was going to be fine and great. The GoPro 9 was not cold in any sort of manner. But as I'm adjusting the cameras, all of a sudden, when I went to do the playback, I noticed this happening. What is this? Why is my GoPro glitching out? So the GoPro from this point forward, video became unusable because it kept on shaking, just like you're seeing here. So love-hate relationship with GoPro. One moment I love the cameras, the next moment they're locking up, whether it be the GoPro 9, the GoPro 10, and then this is the first time ever in 3 years of GoPro use that this weirdness started happening with the GoPro 9. That certainly isn't me shivering of the cold. I'm dressed pretty warmly. So I just wanted to show you that. Wonderful GoPro 9. Why are you doing this on my video? We'll never know. Let's go ahead and show you the time lapse comparison. This is the edited time lapse videos in 30 frames per second. Side by side, we're going to take a look at which camera lasts longer based on the Enduro battery compared to the regular battery. So by using the Enduro battery, we were able to capture more images. That resulted in a video that was 12 seconds longer when edited at 30 frames per second, which is a 20% improvement in performance. So overall, that seems to me to be a pretty impressive result for the Enduro battery comparatively to the GoPro regular battery. So again, if you're looking for a new battery or an additional battery for your GoPro 9 or GoPro 10, go ahead and pick up the Enduro battery over the standard battery. I think you'll be happy with it in terms of performance and recording time, as well as being able to charge it up a little bit quicker and working at the cold temperatures. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. To close this video out, I'm going to show the video that we recorded full screen so you can see it in all of its wonderful 4K full screen glory. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again in one of my future videos.